Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. Today I'm gonna share some new details about Zack Snyder's Justice League. I'm gonna share some trailer and movie details in this video. This video is available in 3 different languages: English, Hindi and Marathi. Hindi and Marathi videos are mentioned in the description below, so go and check it out or go through my playlist where every video are sorted out according to the languages. It will be better for you to find out content according to your preferred language. But before we start this video, if you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related updates and news, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. We all know that we will get the final trailer for the Snyder Cut of the Justice League movie within a few hours. Everyone is so excited about this movie. There are lots of details that are coming out which increase the excitement for all of DC fans. In one of the shots from the latest teaser of Justice League, alongside Darkseid we have 2 more characters. One of them appears to be Granny Goodness. She is the villain of Superman and New Gods. She is one of the main villains of Superman. Another news is about the movie. Zack Snyder confirms that this movie is completely gonna be dark. This movie will not be that funny. While answering one of the fans' questions, he said there are not many jokes in this movie. Zack Snyder also confirmed that for theater release, there's gonna be an intermission break. So fans who are gonna watch this movie in theaters don't have to worry about anything. In an interview with iMinuteman, Zack Snyder also confirmed Lex Luthor's appearance at the beginning of the film. He was explaining the storyboard in that interview where Lex Luthor gonna communicate with Steppenwolf. There are so many details that Zack Snyder has shown us in just a trailer, like a new militarized tank of Batman, Wonder Woman in action with Steppenwolf and much more things. It appears that there's gonna be a lots of action in this movie than Whedon's cut of Justice League. Teaser also shown us Steppenwolf attacking Amazon and Cyborg attacking the Parademons. Remember, they just released a teaser that gives lots of mind-blowing information. Now imagine how the upcoming trailer is going to be. I'm damn sure it's gonna blow all of our minds. The trailer is gonna release within a few hours and the movie will be releasing on 18th March, so prepare yourself, all DC fans. I tried to cover as many news and details as I can. Still, if I missed something, mention those details in the comment section below and share your thoughts on the upcoming Snyder Cut of Justice League. If you love this video, please hit the like button and share this with all DC fans out there. Also, suggest me some DC games that you wanna see in my upcoming gaming content on this channel. If you don't wanna miss out on such Marvel and DC Universe related updates and news, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.